Sisilex. Later on. Puhon na lang. So this is coming from the Taft East Gate condominium here. For those who are not familiar with the Taft East Gate, this is developed by the Gaisano. Ulan na siya. And you can find the biggest bello clinic in the whole Philippines in that building in Taft East Gate, even in Manila. So I talked someone from there, and then they told me that their biggest clinic is located here in Cebu, which is that located in Taft East Gate. And in front of that Taft East Gate is there the Landers supermarket. So we're just going to film this travel from Taft East Gate going to South Road Properties. So wala milingaw. Nag-vloggers. Yeah, that's Taft East Gate. Here. So from people nga they were born in Cebu but now not in Cebu. So I'm filming this so that you can see the development of your city. And then you can see that Cebu is really growing. This proves the traffic proves the improvement. It proves that Cebu City has lots of cars. People can afford cars. And this is Mabolo area. Mag-vloggers Mediron. Murag kaulan nun. Saan na siya?
Wala na gid.
Lagi. Taligsik. So for those people nga nagatanaw sa video, just leave your comment below and then magmarites ta diha sa comment section. So ni ulan siya, pasensya. The weather is not friendly with us. The sun doesn't gives its shine for this video. Bahala man diha. So for those who want nga, you can request us which place nga you want for us to take a video like this one. Just comment below and then just tell us which part in Cebu City or even in Cebu province. Just tell us where place that you want to take video, and then we will take it for you, then we will upload so that you can enjoy watching. This is the church in Mabolo. What the name of this church, Gani? You forgot. I know the church, but I also forgot. I go to church very seldom. I pray lang personally, man God. So if you found this video is interesting, just take that hit button, likes, and please subscribe. It doesn't cost you any penny, any peso, any centavos. It's for free. So help us grow the channel so that we can provide videos like this. So katong mga gimingaw sa Cebu, katong mga taga Cebu nga wala na diri sa Cebu, gimingaw mo, just watch the video, you can see it's an updated kanang situation diri sa Cebu. So this is the SM area. This is the one that the old SM, because Cebu has 2 SM already, the one in SRP. Yeah, the 3 SM I mean in Consolacion, and this one is the old SM. And then we have the SM City. This is the SM City Cebu, and then SM City Consolacion, and SMC side, which is the biggest mall in Cebu. And behind that, on the right side of SM, is the Radisson Blu. And then we are going in this road, padung siya sa Pantalan, Pier 1, Pier 2, Pier 3. We encourage you guys to watch this video na lang kay ano lang kanang for you nga malingaw lang sad ba. That's the Radisson Blu Hotel, and that the CIFC building, office building, and this road going straight is the going to ano gani nga Pier 4 no? Pier 4. So katong mga gimingaw dira sa Cebu City nga wala mo ka uli diri sa Cebu dugay na panahon, pag enjoy ra mo diag tan-aw. So by the way, we've just dropped our client from their from their condo. So we're also going home. So we decided to take this shot. So we'll just take this road because it's Friday and it's traffic. So it's a long bus. Still owned by the SM group, di ba? Ang may bus. And we are going on the right side, going to the Southwood Properties. So this video might end na lang sa end of the Southwood Properties in Talisay, because sometimes it's very kapoy dahan. That's the Kimonda building sa Cebu City Justice Hall of Justice. So kung namoy kiha doan niyo di among file. So Butel. And the black building that you can see is the residential of the Robinsons, and below of that residential is the Robinsons Galleria Mall. So people watching over there, please hit that thumbs up button, hit like, and please subscribe. It will make us happy if you do. It will inspire us to do more of this video. Anyway, we're not a vlogger, huh? We're just doing it for fun. So sa ato ang mga OFW diha nga mga Bisaya, share naman kamo sa inyong experience diri area kay I think if you were in Cebu kay this Robinsons Galleria was opened if I'm not mistaken no kay ni-open na siya last 2017. I think yes, 2017 was the opening of the Robinsons Galleria. So for those nga OFW watching us, share naman sa inyo ang experience in this area when the Robinsons Galleria was not operating. Kay dire before man dire kanang ngit-ngit man dire nga area going SM and very bahaon, ay dili siya bahaon dire, basura, I mean basura, daga basura. That's what I remember before. Kay baho man dire nga Taytayan
Tihero.
The Tihero is located there. And then karon kay limpyo na siya. And then one thing that I really noticed sa Cebu mong good is cars good along sa roads, daghan siya sakyanan na compared to before ba nga mag-jeep man ko sa una. Nya kanang gamay naman auto sa una. Karon kay murag it's very affordable naman to buy a car. Asa na ba agi sa Obos? Sa tunnel? So sa mga Bisaya diha taga Cebu, tanawa ang inyong lugar ingon ana ni Sharon. katong mga wala nakauli ba katong naadi aron sa Manila aron nya wala na uli-uli Cebu. Muna na yung lugar busy na, traffic basta Friday. Ay muglaag sa Friday matanggong traffic. Palihog lang ko ninyo di og ano ha kadang like para ano malingaw sad mi. Malingaw sad mi tanan sa yung like og sa inyong subscribe. So ang diha sa unahan ano naman siya diha kanang Plaza Independencia. I remember when I was a young pa kay I grown up in Negros man. My father was working here in Cebu and then he has that picture of Plaza Independencia when he was young, and then later on I was in my 15 16 years old. I went to Cebu, then I finally see the Plaza Independencia, which I only see in my dad's picture when he was young. And then this is an old tunnel developed with a collaboration of Japanese and Filipino. So this is a project of Japanese and Filipino. Just like what happened in CCLX, diba? Japan is the collaboration. So I think we also want to thank Japanese for this project. This is very long na project na. One of the helpful detour. So this is what you can hear sa tunnel. I don't know if it is true nga kay I was riding in a jeepney before, and then the jeepney driver told the story. I was sitting beside him in the front seat, and then he said that during that time that this tunnel was building, he said that it's just only a front of the government. I don't know if it is true, but he said that there are gold. The actual reason why the tunnel is built is to dig the gold. I don't know if it is true, maybe he's just making it. And that is the CCLX. I think that is the longest bridge in the Philippines, diba? The CCLX. Next to the Juan Nicod Bridge. Next is the San Juanico Bridge, I mean. So we don't have good weather, that's why ngit. And then we are approaching the Cebu South Road properties. Currently the South Coast City is already in shape. It's a collaboration between the SM Prime and the Cebu Ayala Land, that project. So it's a big project actually, beside the SMC side, the SMC side mall. And soon Cebu can host big events such as Hollywood stars, and it can be catered in that Cebu South Coast City. It's really a big project, and I think it will boost more of the economy of Cebu. And so I remember I worked before in Globe, and then we used to use this South Road properties because before public utility jeepneys is not allowed to pass in this SRP. If you have private vehicle, then you can pass, but it has limited time after 7, I think it's 7 p.m. So the South Road properties is closed. Only those private vehicle can pass. So we usually pass in this South Road properties, and then I remember the City de Marie, it was just only a tarpaulin before, and then it's giving us insights of what will happen in South Road properties. And look at now, South Road properties is one of the best growing place in Cebu. So that the South Coast City, it's fenced with blue, and you can see the construction of the what do you call this, the stadium, the arena, South Coast Arena. It's collaboration of the two big real estate developers of the Philippines, the Ayala Land and the SM Prime. So if you are going to imagine, those are big names in real estate industry. So we can probably imagine what will happen in that South Coast City in the next 10 years. So people from other provinces, neighboring islands like in Negros and in Bohol, they can find opportunity here in Cebu. They are not going to Manila is the option if you want to grow, if you are aggressive, you want to improve your life, then Manila is one of the option to go. But now Cebu is a good option. If you are an architect, if you are an engineer, you can come here. There are lots of projects. And that's the Southern Property Ocean. Pero kapoy siya di ay na, mag-unit og cellphone, mag-video-video.
Kuan man kay. Effort na gid.
Plat sa pag plat sa ba ano?
Tama ba na?
And this is the Seaside City, Cebu. It's the biggest mall in Sibuyas, and I think it's the third biggest mall in the whole Philippines. So they are putting preventives there sa wall. Okay, this is literally seaside area. And SRP is still a big land. There are big properties nga land to develop. And that's the No Star. We went there like how many times? I went there like three times. No Star and the Philly Hotel, No Star Casino Mall. In Cebu we have casino man in Cebu City, the Waterfront Casino, but this one is the newest and it's a luxury casino because you have a mall. And then the No Star Mall, there are well-known brands, global brands that you can find in that mall. This is El Corso, developed by Philinvest, and that is the City de Marie Residential. See, imagine the development of Cebu. Maagi-agi rami diri sa una, ano pa ni diri kasagbutan. Karon kanindot na. Grabe ang development sa Cebu ba. For those people nga they say nga wala improvement, I don't know about them paano nila na view ang Cebu nga wala improvement. Because personally I can't really say Cebu is really improved. And it's just only less than 20 years. Very very improved compared to the place like other neighboring islands. Grabe ang improve sa Cebu. So pag maabot sa kanang end of this road nga we're going to turn left na going to the Cebu South. We will end na lang this video kay murag kapoy siya. So again kanang katong ano naga-watch sa atong video no nga you have request nga like you want us to do a video from other roads, just tell us, then we will try our best if we can do it. Okay, para malingaw mo din kami sa malingaw sa me if you are going to do the subscription. If you are going to subscribe. Parehat ang malingaw.
Don't forget to like and
True talaga.
subscribe.
It's a prank. Mga vloggerist.
Who wanted to?
We will do this vlogging thing, a real thing. Happy na tayo makabot. Napay spaghetti diri mo kaon pa ka no? Gutom man eh.
Oh, naminom sa drinks.
May na pag soft drink dito.
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew nga katong cold kaya ba? Tanaw kay gipokus sa lakaw tanaw humanaw sa kadlaw.
Lagi ba sa ako? Mo lagi ikuan gyud ang customer. Namo kay kuan ato gud. Aw di mura mo gyapon nilakaw ang pag kliyente ang insurance company lang may kuan. Wala
Langay.
kay kuan ba?
Lagi. Merglangay.
Wala kay.
Pero sige na lang ana na importante na ano na naiagi.
Una bitaw daw pangutana ni sir kanus ang problema na mo kung di ka na sa mahuman kay dili ka problema war kay nagtabang ka problema ka na ba
Timeline niya.
timeline sa lingaw istorya ni sir
Oo.
sa kawan hindi siya ganahan sa ilang yang mga tao dito kay di na kamo halos di na kamo mamanday.
Oh, kawa lagi kay musalig lagi sa
Salig na
ano.
sa-
Kung sa ato apang term ba ayuda.
Oo.
Kay mahatag man gyud ang gobyerno nila dito, tinuod man gyud mahatag.
Ano,
Hala ang ulan no kay murag abnormal dito ga ulan diri wala.
betul.
Gamay kayon sa tunga clown, linear ha.
O ako gitong ipantong ay istorya sir gi antong yung mayo niya sir.
Oo.
Ito sige na kong tanto
Ay, grabe kayo to sila kamang hinatagon. Sila man to nihatag na sa regalo pag December.
Sa TikTok. Di
Hindi siya kaya TikTok.
TikTok di na private di na kaya kinabuhi.
Oo.
One day pagi.
Nag-awan eh. Pero dito lagi kami nga puro wala lagi gawan lagi. So naapata karon no. This is Talisay part na no?
Oh, Talisay.
Yeah, this is Talisay part na. Kay it's Fort Talisay naman ay. Fort Talisay.
Sila ito ka nung dali. Ano po to lang. Ulan
Ang
pa ulan.
Agaulan. Nice man mag-video ka nang wala ulat ka nang klaro kayo man. Dalan. Klaro kay ngit-ngit manggod kinay galo.
Pero sa ato wala.
Wala kay kahayag man.
Direct. Yes ka po.
Happy na ta mo abot. Inigabot na to dito. We will just cut na lang the video kay it's very useless. Kusog ang ulan sa gawas. Unya ngit-ngit. Bati ang ano.
Video resolution.
Bati o. Pero at least ba. Katong mga gimingaw sa Cebu ba o. At least. Bawas-bawasan ninyong kamingaw. Kaya makita ninyo inyong lugar. Nakita ninyo inyong dalan. Nga pagikan niyo diri siguro hindi pa yung ani. Ako kay taga Negros man jud ko pero I like Cebu. Kay ang ano man good ang opportunity ba. I like Negros man sad kay dito ba ko ni bata. bata pa mi ba kay magtimpasaw mo dyan sa ulan. Kasi nga ni ba malipay may mga ulan.
Hindi mo kayo watch kilat pa to karon kay kilat.
Karon kilain naman kay maligo ka sa mahilantan mo kay ni guman.
Toltolo to ng tao ikilat.
Di lain jud siya karon kay maligo ka sa ulan ba mahilantan kay ni guman. Sa una kay bata pa may maligo mi sa ulan di malipay mo di mahilantan.
Subawan din ka.
Hindi guman kay subawan O basa ka sa ulan subawan. Dalo ibe ko ni mo ay lang ako kay private. Kana kay connecting ano na siya to bunok katong adalan katong eskina ni agya nato. Sujo kay ulan yun.
Excuse siya. Manto bro. Lain panahon.
So we are almost hitting the the stoplight, and that indicates that we will end na this video. So this is the end of Talisay na. Unahan pa dai. Not end of Talisay ha, end of South Road Properties. South Road Properties Road Highway. Okay, thank you na. Paki-like na lang sa amo ang channel. Og subscribe palihog. Dili bitaw mo mabayad ana. Thank you.